respected High Commissioner Mr. Kumaran, distinguished guests of the High Commission, my colleagues, dear parents, teachers, and students. It gives me great pleasure and pride to be standing here today at a very important event of a lifetime. India marks 75 years as a sovereign nation, and as a representative of the Singapore diaspora, I'm happy to be the host for this event, which will kickstart the celebrations of this milestone moment. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This is an apt tagline given to the celebrations by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Commemorating 75 years of a progressive India, the Platinum Jubilee of the Freedom, if you will, is always a Mahotsav, a mega festival of freedom. It is also a mega festival of celebrating the glorious history of its people, culture, and achievements. Over the next 75 weeks, though we are all experiencing tough times of COVID, the people of this great nation will celebrate our independence, our journey of freedom, our successes, and our developments. The government is pulling no stops to ensure that while the COVID challenges are dealt with on high priority, every government sector, private sector, industry, region, state, and individual will feel the pride and the privilege of being part of the land that we call as Bharat. It is a land where rich cultural diversity goes hand in hand with the large-heartedness of its people, the talent of its innovative minds, and the drive of the young. Over thousands of millennia, Indian civilization has survived the ravages of the nature, the onslaught of invaders, and the differences of opinion to emerge stronger and richer in its offering to the world. This history, combined with its rich heritage, is what I call as the nucleus of our rich diversity. Now at 75, India is a powerhouse of talent and determination. The people have not only been instrumental in bringing the country this far in its evolutionary journey, but also hold within them the power and potential to activating India 2.0, fueled by the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an embodiment of all that is progressive about India's socio-cultural, political, and economic identity. It is a universal vision for India shared by Indians from all nations and all walks of life. The diaspora has contributed handsomely in this development. This includes Global Schools Foundation and its schools under its umbrella, which have ensured that expats from all nations are firmly rooted in their culture, even if they are far away from their nations. Over the last 2 decades, the Global Indian International School has taken giant steps to uphold the Indian traditions and culture in Singapore. One of our biggest contributions is via the Global Indian Cultural Center, which has been giving a platform to many families to stay together and close to their homeland. GIS has also been helping and spreading the healthy practice of yoga, and many Singaporeans and expat communities have joined the yoga classes. The present Foreign Minister's wife, Mrs. Jaishankar, too, had a few Hindi classes at the GICC in Singapore in his tenure as the ambassador in Singapore. The school has since its inception also consistently promoted Sanskrit as a spoken language long before it was formally included by the India's Ministry of Education. The Mahatma Gandhi Museum in our school is one of its kind in Singapore and a true testimony of GIS's belief in the principles of the Mahatma, who spearheaded the fight for independence. It is our small contribution to bring the younger generation closer to their roots and homeland. One of our most humble contributions during these trying COVID times have been to help India deal with the COVID pandemic. In the early 2020, GIS had generously contributed Singapore dollar 200,000 to the PM CARES program to help fight the virus. Just recently, we have sent 200 oxygen cylinders on board the Indian Navy ship INS Aravat, and also sent 500 oxygen concentrators by air to be distributed to small towns and villages through Seva International. We feel privileged to be hosting this great initiative today and helping the High Commission of India in Singapore to bring it to the fruition. As a catalyst to this initiative, we held a quiz for our students on the freedom movement. And for the next 1 year, we'll be helping in each and every way to conduct the activities to commemorate this occasion. It will be great to see our students from India connect to their homeland, show keen interest in its rich culture. Activities are being planned around dedicated weekly themes for each of the 75 weeks to celebrate the country's achievements and development across various sectors since independence. They will focus on social, cultural, scientific, and technological high points in the country's post-independence trajectory. We are extremely proud of the great strides India has taken since independence, and I look forward to an eventful year of national celebrations. Thank you and Jai Hind.